Hi everyone, this is Deborah Lindsey with the online EFT certification.com page, and I just wanted to take a minute and actually take you into a class and show you what it looks like. I know a lot of people are looking at this and they think, oh, online training, what the heck is that? And if you've never taken an online course, or even if you have taken an online course, you don't know what to expect from this online course. So I'm just going to take a minute and show you how this works. So once you sign on to the website, actually once you sign up for the class, you will get a personal logon that will take you into the course. So you'll go to the front page, Online EFT Certification, scroll down to the bottom where you'll see Course Login. So you click in there, and then you're going to click in your login. Let's see if this works. Hope I entered that correctly. And then when you look at your page, there will only be two, unless you've signed up for a number of courses. There will be one here that says My Workspace, and one here that says HH515. So the first thing that you'll do is you'll want to go to the account page under My Workspace and modify details, in which case you can change your password right here, which I'm not going to do, but that you would want to do that first so that other people don't have your password. Then you'll click over to your class, which is right here, and this is what the course itself actually looks like. So you would start by reading the first page, and the first page is really just a course description, etc. And you'll see that over here on the right are any announcements that I've sent out recently, or that students have sent out, but I don't know that a student has ever sent an announcement, and any new messages that I have sent you, and then what's going on in the forums. And the forums is the area where we all interact. So the next thing you would do is you would go over here to this link bar on the left, and you would go into your syllabus. This is the first thing you want to do. And the syllabus is just like you find in any college course, and it includes all of the information about the class. And then after you finish that, you're going to go over here to assignments. And this is really where the bulk of the work takes place, is here in the assignment section. Now yours is going to look a little different from mine because you're in as a student. So as a student, yours will look like this. So it will say Assignment 1, and you'll click on that, and you'll see it says watch the video for Class 1, and then in the middle of this you'll be directed to watch the EFT tutorial. So we'll just start by going to the video for Class 1. It pops you into a video. Yours is going to look a little different. Whew. And then you would watch the video. You'll see this one's about an hour long. And then when you are done, click out of that. And then in the middle of the class, you'll be directed, so you go to the next one, and then you'll go to the forum tool. And so the forum tool, you'll click over here, and you'll see that the first one is really just telling us about yourself. And that's so that everybody in the class can get to know each other, and also so that I can get to know what's going on with you and why you're in the class. This is actually pretty important stuff, I think. So what you'll do is you'll click on here, and you can go in and read about other students, or you can, when you're ready, post a new thread. So you'll post a new thread, and you can say, hi, I'm Jack Frost, and then in the box here on the bottom, you can tell about yourself. So when you're finished, you just scroll down a little bit and hit post message. Now, you'll see that right here is your standard typical WYSIWYG. So you can, you know, make it bold or italic or underline if you want. You could add photos, although no one ever has. You can use emoticons and so forth. Now, what many people do is they type this up first in Word or another program, and then they go to type it in or go to paste it in, and they get all of this code, all of this gobbledygook. In order to prevent that, if you are typing it up in Word, copy and paste it from Word, and then click this tool with the little W on it, and then paste it in here, and then save, and that will take care of any of that gobbledygook. And then once you're done, the thing you need to know is about these two little blue arrows right here. That's how you go back and forth. So when you're done, just click this and go back, and it'll take you back to the page. So this is how you interact with me and with the other students. Of course, you're always welcome to call me up. You know, that's fine too. But the majority of the interaction within the class does take place here. Now, you'll also see that in some of the assignments, here it says begin the personal peace procedure, and it tells you what you want to do. So your first assignment is to put together a list of issues that are going to be worked on. These are just between you and me, and then you'll take and paste those in here and then submit it and send it to me, and then I, of course, will comment on that and grade it for you. So once you go through the assignments, you will find that with each one of the forum posts, you get a grade, and with each one of your assignments, you get a grade, and also with the tests and quizzes, which is really, there's only one test in the course, you get a grade. So to take the test, you would just go here, click on the test, and then you'll hit begin assessment, and there's only 15 questions, multiple choice, true and false, and then you just answer each one and go on to the next question. And then when you're done, it shows up here in the grade book. So you can look, and it's probably not going to have a grade for anything. So this is because it's, I'm not sure why it's showing any grade, but these must be things that I filled out in student review before, which is why. So then you can look here at the end of each, you know, session and look to see what your grade is at that time. Now, the resources folder is really where all of the information is stored that's actually in the class. You don't need to go in here much, but this is where different documents and stuff are stored. Most everything is posted on on YouTube in a privacy file, so you can only get access to it if you're in the class. But it makes it really easy to use. So the things that you do need to download, actual physical documents, are right here. And then the forums tool, we already talked about that. That's where a lot of this happens. And then messages. So here's if you want to send a message to me or to another student. So to send it to me, you just go in here and click into instructor role. You don't have to send a copy to my email, but you can if you want. It shows up there either way. And then just say, hello, this is Jack Frost, and message, I wanted to see about setting up a session with another student. Can you help? And you can put that there, and then I would, of course, help you to set up a time to tap with another student. Then you go up here and click back, and then we'll go to the announcements page. And this is really something I use. I don't know that you would use this, but you can click in here and create announcements. And then site info is really not anything you would ever use. And then help if you have questions. But usually if you have questions and you need help, you can just call me. So that's how you take a class. in the emotional freedom technique. And, then when you're done, of course, I will send you your certificates in the mail, and you'll be out there helping people with this amazing technique. So I hope this was helpful, and you can always call me if you need more help. Again, it's onlineeftcertification.com.